Let me tell you something. The market is not against you, but it is not on your side either. Every time you enter a trade, someone is taking the opposite position, and most of the time, that someone is smarter than you, not because they're better, but because they understand something you don't. And once you understand it, you can never unsee it. Have you ever noticed? You buy, price drops. You sell, price rises. Feels like the market is watching you, right? It's not, but it's reacting to something. Your behavior. Stay till the end, because I'll show you how to flip this game. You've been told. Buy low, sell high. Sounds simple, but it's incomplete. Because what is low? What is high? Most people don't know, and that's where they lose. If you don't define it, the market will define it for you. Markets move for one reason: liquidity. Not news, not indicators. Liquidity. Price doesn't move randomly. It moves to take money. Explanation. Where's money? Stop losses. Breakout traders. Retail entries. That's the target. You are not losing randomly. You are being targeted. Let us break it down simply. Market moves in waves. Uptrend equals HH plus HL. Downtrend equals LH plus LL. But here's what nobody tells you. Structure breaks. Right before manipulation. Deep explain. Market gives fake signals. Then real move happens. That fake move. That's where you lose. 6. Liquidity traps. Now the most important part. Liquidity traps. Types. Equal highs. Equal lows. Trendline traps. When everyone sees the same thing. That's where the trap is. Scenario. Breakout traders enter. Market reverses. Why? Liquidity taken. If you trade breakouts blindly, you are the liquidity. Stopwatch 7. Entry model. Now let us flip the game. Instead of chasing price, wait for the trap. Steps. Identify trend. Mark liquidity. Wait for sweep. Confirm shift. Enter. The best entry comes after the fake move. 8. Risk management. Let me be clear. Even this 1T work without discipline. You don't need more profit. You need less loss. Rules. Risk 1%. 1:2 RR. No overtrading. 9. Psychology. Now the real battle. Your mind. You don't lose to market. You lose to yourself. Problems. Fear. Greed. Revenge. Fix. Patience. Discipline. Plan. 10. Full system. Let us simplify everything. Structure. Liquidity. Entry. Risk. Psychology. That's it. The market doesn't reward effort. It rewards awareness. Now you see the game. So play it right. Comment I understand if you made it till end.